Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to find the modulus of a given number. So now let's see how to find the given number. So assume that if we want to find the value of A mod P, then we have to find whether A is less than or equals to P or A is more than P. If the value of A is less than or equals to P, then the value of A mod P is simply A. However, if the value of this A is more than P, then you have to find the remainder of A divided by P. Now let's solve some questions. So in this question, the value of A is 1 and the value of P is 7. A is lesser than P, so the answer is simply 1. In the second question, the value of A is 8 and the value of P is 15. So we can see that the value of A is lesser than P. So the answer is just simply 8. We can solve the following questions of 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 similar to the question 1 and 2. The value of A in the question 3 is 17 and the P value is 20. So A is less than P. So the answer would be 17. Similarly, for question 4, the A value is 28 and the P value is 54. A is lesser than P, so the answer would be 28. Similarly, for 5, 6 and 7, the answer is simply 51, 65 and 8. The questions that we have solved is for the case A less than or equals to P. Now let's solve the question for A more than P cases. In the first question, the value of A is 66 and the value of P, this is the P value, the value of P is 65. We have to find the remainder of A divided by P, which is 66 divided by 65. So 66 divided by 65 is simply 65 and the quotient value will be 1 and we have to subtract it, which is 1. This is the remainder. So the answer will be 1. In the second question, the value of A is 87. The value of P is 80. So when we divide 87 by 80, we can write 80 here and the quotient as 1 and the remainder will be 87 minus 80, which is 7. So the answer will be 7. However, in the third question, we can see that the value of 257 mod 17 is a bigger number. So in this case, the value of A will be 257 and the value of P is 17. now the value of A is 557 and the value of P, and the value of P is 9. When you divide 556 by 9, it's 556. So when you divide 556 by 9, when you use a calculator, you will get 556 divided by 9. You will get a value approximately 61.77. So write this 61 at the quotient part over here. 61. Now when you multiply 61 by 9, you will get the answer as 549. And when you subtract it, you will get the remainder. So this is the answer, which is simply 7. Now let's go and find the negative cases. So in this negative cases, question 1, question 2, and in the question 3, we are given a negative sign in the given question. So for this, it is very important that we use this formula. Minus A mod P can be expanded as minus A mod P mod P. You can use the before solutions to find this value. So now in this question 1, we can further expand it using the formula as minus 66 mod 65 mod 65. Now we have to find the value of this 66 mod 65. The A value is 66 and the P value is 65. The A value 66 is more than the P value, which is 65. So we have to find the remainder of it. So which is simply 66 divided by 65, which is 1. So we can write the answer as 1. And then mod 65. And finally, you can add this value with this P value, which is 65 plus minus 1, which is simply 64. This is the final answer. For the question 2, I'll erase this part. For the question 2, we can use the similar formula to further expand it. So we can expand it by negative 27 mod 11 mod 11. Now we have to find this value 27 mod 11. So 27 mod 11 would be 22, which is 5. So minus 5 mod 11. Now you add the value of P with this minus 5. So it would be 11 plus minus 5, which is 6. So this is the final answer. Similarly, we can use the formula to find this question too, which is minus 8 mod 11 mod 11. In this question, the value of A is lesser than 11. So we can simply write it as 8. mod 11, which is 11 plus minus 8, which is 3. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you very much.